In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of having the right cleaning tools for different surfaces in your home. Knowing what tools to use and when to use them can make a huge difference in keeping your home clean and healthy. Let's get started. The kitchen is one of the busiest areas in any home, and it can quickly become a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. To keep your kitchen clean, you'll need a variety of cleaning tools, including a sponge or scrub brush, a dishcloth or towel, and a specialized cleaner for your countertops and appliances. The bathroom is another area that requires special attention when it comes to cleaning. You'll need a toilet brush, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and a disinfectant cleaner to keep your bathroom sparkling clean and free from germs. The living room is where we spend most of our time, so it's important to keep it clean and comfortable. For this room, you'll need a vacuum or a broom, a duster, and a specialized cleaner for your furniture and carpets. By using the right cleaning tools for each surface in your home, you can keep your living space clean, healthy, and looking its best. Remember to choose the right tools and cleaners for the job and follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. Thanks for watching.